Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create split color text in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. And for us to be able to begin, just head on to canva.com first, choosing a template to get redirected here onto the editing page. Now right after, before we get started, let's try to change the background first in here. So simply click onto that one, click onto background color here onto the upper part, and then choose in the color that you want to use. So for example, we're going to opt for something blue in here. So let's choose that one. And then let's add in a text. So just simply click on to add a heading in here. And for this one, you could add in any text that you want to see. So let's add in blue in here. And then let's try to change the font here. Click onto the upper part. And then we're going to use the font here, which is this one, the Low. Right after, let's make this really big. And it should look something like this. Let's try to change the text color for this one to white as well. And this is how it should look like. Now right after, to go ahead and add in the effect, we're going to go ahead and duplicate this page. So just click on the duplicate page. Then right after, let's try to change the color for this one to the blue that we've used earlier. And for the background for this, we're going to change this to white. And it should look something like this. So we're going to download just one photo in here, the page one, either the page one or page two. So for this one, let's choose the page two for this. Click on to download, and then we'll just wait for this. Once it is downloaded, just go ahead and drag and drop it here under uploads, and then head back onto the first page that we have in here. So once you have that one here, just click onto the photo in here to add this onto your design. Right after, just go ahead and resize this to go ahead and fit the other design that you have. And then to go ahead and split the color in here, you'll just need to drag this down to split just like that into the middle, or you could do the same thing, but the other colors just like this. And that is just basically it, how you create split color text in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.